welcome back to Flawless Foods Kitchen. I'm Kay.
And I'm Luke, and today we're going to be making a homemade garlic mayo sauce. This condiment goes well with cooked meats, fish, drizzled over salad, or use it as a dip. 3 tablespoons of natural yoghurt or Greek yoghurt, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of garlic puree, 2 teaspoons of mint jelly or mint sauce, and the juice from half a lemon. Combine all this together, giving it a good stir, making sure all the mint jelly is broken down. To make this sauce low fat, use low fat yoghurt and mayonnaise. Pour into a dish, ready to serve. Our homemade garlic mayo sauce. A perfect combination of yoghurt, mayonnaise, mint jelly, garlic and a little squeeze of lemon. Nice, quick and easy sauce. Perfect for dipping in your crisps or nachos or your pizza crust. But what we've made it for today is our lamb shish homemade kebab. Perfect. We'll put the link above so you can make it for your kebab at home. If you want to see more of our recipes, press the subscribe button below. Thanks a lot. And I'm Luke, and today I'm going to be making a... What am I making? I forgot.
Garlic mayo sauce.
Garlic mayo sauce. Garlic mayo sauce. You right there, Verona? Yeah, come to get some garlic mayo sauce as well.
Bruno, what are you doing?
I think he wants some garlic mayo.
You're on camera, boys.
Let me sit there, big good boy. Paul. We'll put the link below. I pointed up. Below?
No, above.
Above?
It is above.
Oh, okay.
The links go up there.
The links go up there.
Goes down.
Okay.